from the political sphere as far as the war words between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress is concerned. Now, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has launched a scathing attack at the Congress against its manifesto, stating that it is meant for polls in Pakistan. He has claimed that the Congress will snatch away resources from the masses for appeasement, and has also said the Congress has made a manifesto that will snatch resources from common people, and thereby the Congress will destroy the economy of the country. He has stated that the BJP has interpreted the Congress's manifesto in a correct manner and has even challenged them to, in fact, publicly debate the contents of their manifesto. Let's in fact listen in to what Himanta Biswa Sarma has to say.
You see, the Congress manifesto is more closer to the people of Pakistan than people of India. ये अगर मैनिफेस्टो पाकिस्तान का चुनाव में आ जाते हैं तब कांग्रेस को बहुत सारा वोट पाकिस्तानियों से मिल जाएगा.
All right, there of course we've heard what Himanta Biswa Sarma has to say. My colleague Nibir Deka joins us via the phone line for more details on this. Nibir, the war over the redistribution vow made by the Congress party in its manifesto is escalating day by day. Now, Himanta Biswa Sarma has chimed in.
Yes, indeed. Himanta Biswa Sarma has made a very sharp response against the manifesto of the Congress. He has stated that this manifesto will help them if they are going to contest elections in Pakistan. And he has also talked about the manifesto being an appeasement attempt by the Congress and has snubbed the manifesto as appeasement politics. Further, he has also talked about everyone in the country has the right to their resources and the redistribution that the Congress has talked about in the manifesto. He has criticized it and saying that they will snatch away the gold and with mothers and sisters and get information and distribute it. That he has criticized, and he has talked about that these kind of politics that the Congress is doing is an attempt to appease a certain community, and this is a very strong remark that Himanta Biswa.
Indeed, strong statements coming in from Himanta Biswa Sarma. Of course, all eyes on the battle for phase 2. A couple of seats in Assam will be going for polls as well on the 26th of April. Key battles slated to be fought very, very soon. We will keep our eye out on all of these developments for you viewers.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.